ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವರು ಜರ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಸ್ಟಿಫಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ವಿಶಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಧಾರವಾಡದ ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಂಪಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಜರ್ನಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು ಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಯುಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Stressing and stress out.
Yes.
So you are just juggling with all those pressure points. So they get released. All
The acupuncture stuff, yeah, of course. Yeah. So you're taking some course from him because you want to learn how to do
Even
it?
I wanted to learn, but
Okay.
he tell that he will teach me some of the tips like.
Okay.
so
Okay.
like,
That's why you were recording with videos and stuff like
That's
that.
why I'm just recording how he's doing like.
Okay.
So there are some points like you have to give more pressure, and there are some points like behind the kidneys you have to give less pressure.
Yes.
So
Okay.
this lumbar area you need not to put much pressure.
No.
On the spine you have just give a uniform pressure with your lower arm.
But you have to take also a serial course.
Yes.
You have to study in a school or something like that. Yeah.
He has studied.
Yeah.
He's done that course, so.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
It's like there is a flow, like just like a smooth waving motion.
Yeah.
No jerks.
Okay.
When it pains, like that points being activated, that pain should come. So if there is no pain, like it's okay. If pain comes, that points get activated.
Marma points.
And marma points, they get released the tension.
Of course, yeah. Oh no, I can feel I have many points. I mean, you can feel it, yeah.
He knows like where to press, how
Of
to
course,
press.
of course. Yes. I did a little bit of acupuncture, but it's not the same, It's very soft compared to a massage like this.
ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪೇನ್.
No, but I mean that's gonna be good. I'm sure I'm gonna be jumping like a rabbit or whatever in the nature and.
That's a good.
Yeah.
So more pain, more gain.
Yes, of course, definitively. No, I trust that. Yeah. You have to go through those stuff, before to get better, Yeah.
And
of course.
total this season, how you feel?
Right now, I'm okay.
Yes.
I don't have any pain. I'm sure that you did the right thing for my body. So far, it's maybe I'm gonna just go to sleep right now and in 5 minutes or whatever because it's always. But
What time you sleep usually?
No. Just after a massage, usually you're so relaxed that you want just to sleep. But
ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ how you feel?
Feeling sleepy?
no, not yet.
Okay. So thanks a lot
Thanks
for
to you,
video.
yeah. Thanks
For
to
video.
you.
Yeah.
It was really great,
The pain will.
Of course, you have to go through that. Yeah, of course, because that means that your body needs something.
Yes.
Definitely. Because we should have a massage like this every day, actually.
So those
To make
points
sure.
we never intentionally press those
No,
points.
no.
So
No.
it should be stimulated externally.
I know that you have to do it by yourself every day if you want, but nobody does that.
Nobody does
because-
Nobody does your torso twist. And
no, of
this
course.
one.
By
You need
yourself.
someone else
No,
to
no,
do
no.
for yourself.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲು ತೊಗೊಂಡಾರೇನು ಕೇಳು.
Do you actually previously did you do that? Massage this type of.
Sorry?
Previously, did you have any kind of.
Not that strong, no. I don't remember. I had like regular massage, but not that. It's so heavy, so strong, so deep,
intense.
so deep. Yeah, so deep. No.
This is the first time in your
I
journey.
think so. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. No,
So-
usually I don't go that far, So I was in a room. I was stuck with two guys. I have no choice.
No,
I can go away. I don't speak Hindi or
No, you
Tamil.
did a good thing. I think.
Okay. So next we will do some
Yes.
prasana also.
ಮಾಡ್ಲೆ.
ಬಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು
You
ಒಂದು
can have a relaxed.
Yeah,
You
sure,
can
sure.
relax here.
I won't eat anything more.
No. I just prepare apple juice. Apple juice.
Okay.
Later, just relax.
Yes, sure.
I prepare apple juice for you.
ನೀರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
You want to have some water?
Oh, maybe yes. Yeah.
Shall I boil it and give it to you? Shall I boil water?
No. It was just the
Filter water.
the
shall I-
filter, but you can do that later. Just
Shall I give you filter water?
yeah. If you want.
In a glass?
No, yeah, in a glass. Yeah.
Or shall I fill it here only?
No, just in a glass. Yeah. We will wash this bottle here.
There and with the suction, he just
Okay,
rub
that's what I
on your
was
back.
feeling. Yeah, okay. I never had that before actually. So yeah, it's a nice sensation, I would say.
Yeah.
It's something very special, compared to the fingers, to the massage with the hand.
Somebody gives nice, it
Yes.
has a
Yeah.
nice feeling and touch because it's not your body.
No.
With other fingers,
Yeah.
your
I know they do that also in acupuncture, but sometimes they leave the stuff on your body and they let it go and for 20 minutes,
Yes.
But here with the massage it's different. No, it's interesting. Anyway, how do you call this massage? I mean, it's a specialty or how do you call it?
No, it's like acupressure activation massage.
Okay, but there is no name for that.
Acupressure activation, like
Yes,
to
okay.
get release of the tension
Okay.
from the body from
Okay.
different part
Okay.
of the acupressure points.
So, but it's mainly Chinese, it's not Indian.
Yeah,
Chinese.
This is a Chinese.
It's Chinese technique. Yeah.
But birth is India. These all techniques from India.
you mean at the beginning?
But we learn from China.
Okay.
It was exported to China. Notified from there, and then
And they came back.
Shushruta invented the first surgery way back before any of the doctors, because Shushruta, the surgery, cutting open
Yes.
the skull
Yeah.
and doing some
Yeah.
surgery.
Yeah.
It was invented in India. Shushruta.
Okay.
So now it is practiced everywhere.
Yes,
the
of
first
course,
thing,
yeah.
first we did it.
Okay.
It was documented.
Okay.
If something
Wow.
is wrong, you can cut open the body and do the repair.
Yeah, okay.
Without anesthesia.
No.
Later anesthesia got invented and we
Sure.
can do deeper cuts and with
Okay.
more intense
Wow,
surgery.
yeah.
Those days nobody knows surgery.
No, of course,
People used
because-
to hold their hand and feet, not to cry like.
Yes.
They used to cut open and do the
Okay.
surgery.
Wow.
That was the thing.
But it's nice to know that I was a good
Yeah.
person
That's
for
why-
the massage.
Yeah, that's why he said that
Because-
he might be tired also.
Because
He can
if
just
usually
do massage,
Yeah.
so he can just rejuvenate again. for that.
You are 11th person today.
to receive this massage.
Yes.
Okay.
Today 11th person.
Okay, because you don't do that many often, very often.
No, I do. So
He does very-
last is number is 15 person in one day.
Okay, you mean today? I was.
Today you are 11th person.
Okay, you're doing that today
Yes.
for
He does it
11%.
daily.
Oh wow,
He
okay.
has all the kids in his garden.
And you still have enough power at the end of the day. Wow.
It's the spiritual power.
Congratulations, yeah.
That skillful
Yeah,
hands.
you have them.
I touch to many persons.
Wow. No, because I can imagine after 2 or 3 massages of one person like this, you must be tired.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
doing 11%, wow.
But I'm very happy to give some service, massage service.
Okay.
I'm very, very happy.
Okay.
Whatever the
Yes.
things.
But it's kind of passion.
Yes, this is my passion.
Okay.
Yes.
But why
When
did
people are ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋ ಅವ್ರ ಖುಷಿಲಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಫೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ
when he sees the relaxed face of the person after the massage, that's the satisfaction he's getting.
Yes.
by
Okay.
doing-
Okay.
So he does it for ex-army people, free of cost, like those who are
Okay.
mentally needy and like.
Yeah, look, like those old people you have
Yes,
in your
yes,
house.
yes.
I mean,
Army
that-
return.
I started from old people.
Okay, that's
Now
why
I given to everyone.
Yes, okay. That's
But
why you've been involved
who
in that,
are
yeah.
soldier, who are farmer, I give totally free.
Okay.
Yes, I dedicated to that person.
Okay. Wow.
Because that person giving us a lot of energy, security,
I see.
and
It's
lot
nice.
of
It's nice from you. Yeah. Okay. Wow.
yes.
Impressive. Yeah. No, it's a good experience. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely.
Now
Yeah.
you might be feeling relaxed.
I'm okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm very nice. You know. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sure I'm gonna sleep very well tonight. Yeah.
ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಸಾಜ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪೇನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನುಭವಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತೋ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಬೇರೆದವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅವರು,
ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್.
ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ.
ಇವ್ರು ಫುಲ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೀನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಬೇಡ ಅವ್ರು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ, ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So wonderful. Prasanna and Stefan both are taken massage, cupping massage, normal massage, acupressure massage, Thai massage, everything. So little bit please express how you feel. Both are.
Yeah, it's a good one. Like I felt really relaxed. Like we go for trekking and all, so a lot of stresses going in our bodies. So there are certain points in our like bodies we cannot reach, and we cannot pressurize and to get the tension relief. It's a nice way we are feeling somewhat lighter on the body part. Like it's a good thing if you do massage regularly, like once in 2 months or 3 months at your disposal.
So you feel this is very necessary?
Oh yeah, I think those are going through a lot of stress and all. So it's much needed, I guess, like to get a massage to relieve your tension.
Okay.
Once in a twice or thrice.
So my massage, you anywhere you will like scaring and very painful.
Yeah, sometimes it was paining, like some parts, like if you are pressing, it was paining. But later, once it's done, like it's somewhat relaxing. Like it's a nice feeling.
Okay. So, sir?
Yes, and the same for me. I mean, I never had any acupressure massage like this, you know. So it was, even if I'm in a good shape actually, but I know that my body needs some massage sometimes.
Okay.
So, and it was a good experience actually, and I can feel it after my legs been massaged and stuff like that, you know. So it's totally release, and yeah, I know I have many points somewhere on my body, so I'm sure tomorrow I'm going to feel better. Yeah.
Good.
Thank you again. Yeah.
Thank you.
So thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for that.